Hello everybody and welcome back. Hands on with BLG. 68 extremely humid degrees here in Florida today, and I went out just after the butt crack of dawn. Put the new pool together somewhat. I worked all the way around. It was easy. I did this bar, one over there, and that one over there. And I got those hooked up to the rails, snippity snip, and then I just started working around until we got back to the key, which is right here. Now this is not stop, this is the key. And LEG came out, and we took that leg off and that leg off, unpinned this key, and wiggled around, boop, pinned her back up, baby. Now I got water going in. Yes, it's foaming. I put a little bit of algae controller in there, and it's foaming because I couldn't of course put it in the filter yet. Nothing there. So that'll stop foaming. When the filter gets going, that'll all stop foaming. But yeah, so far so good. Hardly a wrinkle in the damn thing in the bottom. That means we have an extra filter, we have an extra ladder, we have an extra complete skeleton for a pool. So yeah, the old liner, look at that. It works perfect. Worked out perfectly. And we're fairly damn level. Good enough for me anyway. Got that little leg back where it wants to be. But yeah, it worked out perfect for a bottom liner. I don't see any leaks, no gushing, no bleeding out. Nothing to panic about at all. That's just some mulch in the low spots. It was low over here. I put some mulch down under the carpet. But yeah, the old filter's back on. Gonna reuse the old one. There's nothing wrong with it. Just a little bit of pH up in there to get the pool kind of kick started going. Yeah. Well, and, well, it looks like we're in good shape. I redid the little outlet nozzle thingy there, so it shouldn't leak. I had this part right here too loose, so it was dripping out right there. But I had a lot more of these threads showing right here. A lot more of those threads showing, so I tightened that all up. I think that should be fine. Now just waiting for it to fill up and finish blowing out the sides here a little bit to stretched out nice looking proportions. Getting the pool line filled up. Fill line's right here. You see that? There's one on the other side here too. I don't know if you can see it. But see, there's one right there. And that one right there. That's the fill line for this pool. So we fill it up to about that far. And we're good to go, man. Looking good, looking good. Got a garden hose. We got a fountain effect going on. That makes you gotta pee, don't it? Listen to this and see if it makes you want to pee. Make you want to pee? Makes me want to pee. And I just got done peeing. I'm brushing my fangs. Look how clean these fuckers are. Look at these things. See how clean? Just got done brushing them and flossing them. I used some of my mouth wash stuff. Like, it's kind of like Listerine, but generic. Yeah. Stare at that sunspot for me. Right there. You stare at that. I'll look at the rest of this stuff. You get to see the sunspot. You stare at that. It's like welding. Let me get out of here. Oh, and I used another slice of the pool over here. It's nasty right now because of all the water. It rained like a motherfucker yesterday. Well, this pool would have been up yesterday. But yeah, that'll all dry and sweep off. Make a nice little landing skid for a little feeties. Because, you know, our land is all sand. So, yeah, I'm going to go and take a breather. We'll let this bad boy fill on up to the fill line. We'll activate the pump. Check the pump for leaks. And this bad boy will start getting up to pool swimming standards again, by God. The fat man is going to have his workouts after all. Yes. Give me the thermometer say. Thermometer says it's 71 in the pool. That's a solar thermometer. It's very accurate, by the way. It does work very well. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a breather and let this thing fill on up. Okay. We'll be back when it's full. Well, halfway there. We're getting there, damn it. Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking alright to me anyway. I'm not seeing anything all weird over here on the outsides. Nothing's leaking, nothing's doing anything out of the ordinary. That's a beautiful day. Yes. Yes, I like. Can't wait to get up full where I can get on this filter and see if it's going to drip or leak. It does drip under here sometimes out of this, but nothing like bleeding out all over the place. Pool is at 75 degrees. It's actually swimmable right now. How about that for cool ass? There's a neater, better pattern on this one too. I like this pattern better. I think it's pretty badass. These fucking dragonflies are back trying to die, and they're weird, man. Yeah, everything's looking to be in pretty good shape, man. I'm liking it. It's doing good so far. Water. You gotta pee again, don't you? Yeah, so did I. I had to pee. I came out and looked at it a little bit ago. There goes the chlorine tablet. Going around and around. 75 degrees. More bright spots for you to look at. Look at the bright spots. What do I zoom in on the bright spot? Like that. What does that do? What's that look like? That should be pretty cool. It's like an hour video of just that. Zoom out, eh? Zoom out, you fat bastard, you. Yeah, it's getting there. Almost half full. Back in I go. It should be full. It's about 10:30 now. This should be full somewhere around 1. My elephant ears are liking it outside, but they're just keeling over like that. I don't know if they're supposed to do that or not. Couldn't tell you. But anyway, update soon. Well, it's getting there. About 3/4 of the way. Yup. Nice, looking good. I don't foresee anything going crazy this time. It's looking all right, folks. It's looking good. Yes. It's okay. I'm gonna see you when it gets full. Here we go, boys and girls and boys. Pool is full. Time to shut off. See that line right over there? That's where it's supposed to fill up to. Let's go shut the water off on this thing. It's over here this way. Let's go over here. Just like so. Alright. Thought I saw something over that way. It didn't. Let's take a quick walk about. Everything's good here. Looking good. Looks real good. Everything's smooth. Everything's looking good, yeah. Can't complain about that. Beauty. We got one little drip right here coming out of the thread here or whatever. One little thread right there. I am not going to concern myself with that. So, let's go turn on the pump. That's in here in the art studio. Welcome back to the art studio, aka the sweat box. Right now, got so much crap in here I got to organize. Turn on pump. Hit reset. This pump should take off. And it's running, baby. Check for flow. Yeah, that little drip there will probably gunk up. Come on, baby. We can do this. Pull this. Let's get a good suck. Try to put this back on now. How come this won't let go? I want to put the filter on. Like that. Now stick this on. That should fill up. There she's going. Slowly filling up to the top. There we go. check filter. Huh. Thought it would flow better than that. A little bit. I'll bet the filter's fucked. We'll go get a brand new filter to put in it, you think? Let's go get a brand new filter and put in it. I think I've got another brand new one in here. I popped in 2 used ones. That could be what it's doing. So, new filters. Right there's one. Oh yeah. Yank one of those out of there. That's how I see the mama. She's trying to get a filter out of a bag.
Well, it's easier if you just kind of tear the bag.
Okay. Ankles itch. Try and change the filter out real quick. Let's see what we got. The filter is not wanting to prime. Take this, set it down. Oh yeah, look at that filter's nasty, man. Fuck that thing. Put a brand new one in. This ought to do something good. Yeah. Oh, I can't pick anything up. Stick you down. Give you a couple of swishes in. Drink you some of that. How come you won't prime? Prime. I'm gonna have to shut that off. I can't see what's going on in here. Let's back out here and shut this off. That should be spinning and doing fun things. No, BLG has to have shit luck. All right, let's shut this off. I didn't seem to like that at all. I don't know why. And I can't see in here. I mean, that should be pumping like a son of a gun. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, let's go turn it back on, see what happens. I don't understand. Let's turn this on. Falling over everything. It's still making loud growly noises. How much you prime? Ooh, ooh. Getting there. Getting better. Okay, now give me a filter. I'll put this on here. Come on, you're supposed to fill all the way up. Now you're not getting shit. There you are. But why won't you fill up and stay filled? Yes, it is. Actually, it's through the fill line. It just keeps pumping it through. It's got good flow. I'm gonna try putting more water in it. Now the flow is slowed down. Okay, I can't do this. I'll come back. Well, can you say victory, people? We got nice current. Look at that. Making a little whirlpool. We got the filter going just right. Brand new filter in there. This is the old filter from the other pool. Fixed the drip here. This is not a leak. This little washer right here was on the inside of the pool. It needed to be on the outside of the pool. So there you have it. Oh God. Good. Excellent. So we'll just let it start cycling. I've got chlorine in it. I got a little pH up, and I got the anti-snot. This is all back flushing. Came out. It's all going right back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. All right. So everything else looks fantastic. We're good to go, people. We are good to go. Chlorine thingy's doing chlorine thingy stuff. Throw a few bugs out. We'll let the filter take care of that, and I'll net it tomorrow morning. There she is. By God. I could fill it a little more, but that's what it calls for, is filling it to that line. See, generally, I fill it to this line right here. Just right about there. To the bottom of that rail over there, but that's fine. It looks really even, too. It is not bad looking at all, even-wise. Look, see, it's fairly even all the way around. Tickled shitless with that. That's alright. We did it. LG the mama came out and helped, holding parts and squeezing parts back together. Beautiful thing. We'll let it rock and roll and see what happens. That's how long it takes for that chlorine tablet to start going this general direction. Yes.
How big is the bulb on?
Hang on. They're about the size of a baseball, I guess. About like this.
So I should miss it if I'm...
Yeah.
I just don't want to stab the hole.
Beautiful. Yeah, we should have a pretty decent flow. It's going this way, so that should turn around and start going back the other way. Leaving the... Oh, I missed. Come on, damn it. Ugh. Get off of me. Get off of me. Okay. I'm leaving the hose hooked up for now. Okay. I think it's a good call. There you go. One full pool. And now it's time for me to get one full belly of beer. For Hands On with BLG. For BLG, I'm BLG. That's the mama. She's working on my elephant ear plant. She's going to twist them up.
Brace it up.
I'm Lefty. I'm Ronnie, the pool technician guy that doesn't read the instructions right. That's the dingo. He went inside. He's hot. Need to get this flat. There we go. It's a killer. Ooh. Okay. Well, there we go. Inside we go. It's hot out here. Say peace out to mama.
Peace out! Peace out!
Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around